Welcome back to another session. Today in this session, we will see some important multiple choice questions with their answers from plant breeding. I hope these questions may be helpful to you. Now, let's start. Here, the first question is, major food crops of the world belongs to Brassicaceae, Solanaceae, Asteraceae or Poaceae? And here, the right answer is Poaceae. The second question is, which seeds cannot be dried and preserved? A. Orthodox seeds, B. Recalcitrant seeds, C. Foundation seeds, or D. Breeder seeds. And here the right answer is recalcitrant seeds. Recalcitrant seeds such as seeds of mango, coconut having more water and high moisture content and do not survive at drying. The next question is, the book Origin of Cultivated Plants written by N.I. Vavilov, G.S. Sull, Norman Borlaug or A.P.D. Condole. And here the correct answer is A.P.D. Condole. The book Origin of Cultivated Plants is written by A.P.D. Condole. The next question is, emasculation is achieved by removal of style and stigma, removal of stamens and anthers, C. Both A and B, or none of the above. And here the right answer is removal of stamens and anthers is known as emasculation. The next question is, the main purpose of emasculation is to prevent self-fertilization, to ensure self-fertilization, both A and B, or none of the above. And here the right answer is to prevent self-fertilization. The main aim of the emasculation is to prevent self-fertilization. The next question is, the emasculation can be done by which of the following techniques? A. Section method, B. Hot water treatment, C. Alcohol treatment, or D. All of the above. And here the right answer is all of the above. The emasculation can be done by the suction method, hot water treatment and alcohol treatment. The next one is, which of the following method is generally used in vegetatively propagated crops? Mass selection, bulk selection, hybridization or clonal selection? And here the right answer is clonal selection. Clonal selection is always done with the crops which propagated through the vegetative propagation. The next question is, the new varieties of plants can be produced by selection and hybridization, introduction and mutation, hybridization and mutation, or clonal selection. And here the correct answer is selection and hybridization. By selection and hybridization techniques, we can create new varieties of plants and crops. The next question is, which of the following is the oldest method of plant breeding? Introduction, selection, hybridization, or mutation? And the correct answer is selection. Selection is the oldest method of plant breeding. The next question is, who produced the first artificial hybrid? Thomas Fairchild, Thomas Andrew, N.I. Vavilov, or Hugo de Vries? And here the correct answer is Thomas Fairchild. Thomas Fairchild develops first artificial hybrid. The next one is, in which cross more than two parents are crossed to produce the hybrids? By simple cross, complex cross, back cross, or test cross? And here the right answer is complex cross. By complex cross, where we can cross more than two parents, we can produce the hybrids. The next question is, which of the following is most common method of breeding for disease resistance? Selection, hybridization, soma-clonal variation, or none of the above? And here the right answer is hybridization. By the hybridization techniques, we can create the disease resistance varieties. The next one is, which of the following method is generally not used in breeding for disease resistance? Mass selection, pedigree method, back cross, or soma clonal variation? Here the right answer is mass selection. By pedigree method, cross, back cross method, and soma clonal variations, we can create the disease resistance varieties of the plants by the breeding techniques. The next question is, which of the following may be the possible measures for the prevention of epidemics in breeding for disease resistance? A. Genetic diversity within varieties. B. Genetic diversity between varieties. C. Use of horizontal resistance. Or D. All of the above. And here the correct answer is all of the above. Means the possible measures for prevention of epidemics in plant breeding for disease resistance are genetic diversity within varieties, genetic diversity between two varieties, and use of horizontal resistance. Now the next question is, the variability in fungal pathogens may be created by which of the following method? A. Mutation, B. Heterokaryosis, C. Parasexual reproduction, or D. All of the above. And here the right answer is all of the above. The fungal pathogen may be created by mutation, heterokaryosis, and parasexual reproduction. Now the next one is, disease resistance may show which of the following mode of inheritance? The A. Oligogenic inheritance, B. Polygenic inheritance, C. Cytoplasmic inheritance, or D. All of the above. So here the right answer is all of the above. Means the disease resistance may show the oligogenic inheritance, polygenic inheritance, as well as the cytoplasmic inheritance pattern. The next one is, generally hybrids are similar to their parents, weak to their parents, strong and superior to their parents, or none of the above. Here the right answer is strong and superior to their parents. Generally, hybrids are always strong and superior to their both parents. The now next question is, Sonara 64 and Lerma Rojo 64 are mutant and dwarf varieties of rice, wheat, maize, or potato. And here the correct answer is wheat. Sonara 64, Lerma Roja 64 are the mutant and dwarf varieties of wheat. The next question is, Sonalika and Kalyan Sona are high yielding improved varieties of rice, wheat, maize, or potato. And the correct answer is wheat. Sonalika and Kalyan Sona are again the improved varieties of wheat. The next one is, Kufri Red, Kufri Safed, and Kufri Jyoti are improved varieties of A. Rice, B. Potato, C. Maize, or D. Sugarcane. And here the right answer is potato. The Kufri Red, Kufri Safed, and Kufri Jyoti are the improved varieties of potato. The next question is, CO1148, CO1158, and CO541 are the improved varieties of rice, sugarcane, potato, or maize. And here the correct answer is sugarcane. These all are the varieties of sugarcane, and CO stand for Coimbatore, where the sugarcane breeding station of India has been established. And this organization is engaged in the improved development of the improved varieties of sugarcane. The next question is, which of the following is a result of intergeneric hybridization? A. Triticale, B. Sonalika, C. Kalyan Sona, or D. Sonara. Here the correct answer is Triticale. Triticale is the first man-made cereal which is produced through the intergeneric hybridization techniques between wheat and rye. Now the next question is, Triticale is developed through intergeneric hybridization of wheat and barley, wheat and rice, wheat and rye, or wheat and maize. The right answer is wheat and rye. The next one is, which one of the following is a quickest method of plant breeding? Introduction, mutation breeding, selection, or hybridization? selection is the right answer. Selection is the quickest method of the plant breeding. The next one is pure line selection is also known as pedigree method, clonal selection, individual plant selection, or mass selection. And here the right answer is C, individual plant selection. The next one is a large number of plants of similar phenotypes are selected and their seeds are mixed together to develop new variety is called pedigree method, clonal selection, single plant selection, or mass selection. Here the correct answer is mass selection. The next question is a group of plants that produce from a single plant through asexual reproduction is known as hybrid, clone, or none of the above. And here the right answer is clone. The next question is genetic variation within clones may be arise due to somatic mutation, mechanical mixture, occasional sexual reproduction, or all of the above. And here the right answer is all of the above. By the somatic mutation, mechanical mixture, and occasional sexual reproduction, the genetic variation within the clone may be arise. The next one is new disease may be introduced along with plant materials introduced from other countries. In this regard, which of the following measures can check the movement of such disease and insect pest? The options are phytopathological measures, quarantine measures, biological measures, or none of the above. Here the right answer is quarantine measures. By quarantine measures, we can check the movement of such diseases and insect pests. The next question is no pedigree records are maintained in pedigree method, bulk method, both A and B, or none of the above. And here the correct answer is bulk method. In bulk method of plant breeding, no pedigree record are maintained. The next one is plants with the same genotypes can be produced by plant breeding. They are called haploid, autoploid, genome, or clone. The right answer is clone. The next one is cross between the same varieties of a plant are called interspecific, intervarietal, intravarietal, or intergeneric. Here the right answer is intravarietal. The cross between the same varieties of a crop or plant is called intravarietal cross. The next one is International Rice Research Institute is situated in Switzerland, USA, Philippines, or China. Here the right answer is Philippines. The International Rice Research Institute is situated in Philippines. The next question is in India, the headquarters of National Seed Corporation situated at Mumbai, New Delhi, West Bengal, Bengaluru. The right answer is New Delhi. The National Seed Corporation of India is situated at New Delhi. The next question is Gamma Garden is associated with recombinant DNA technology, hybridization techniques, mutational breeding for crop improvement, or germplasm collection center. Here the right answer is mutational breeding for crop improvement. Gamma Garden is used and associated for the mutational breeding for crop improvements. The next one is in India, National Rice Research Institute is situated at Cuttack, Odisha, New Delhi, West Bengal, or Punjab. And here the right answer is Cuttack, Odisha. The National Rice Research Institute of India is situated at Cuttack, Odisha. The next question is Sugarcane Breeding Institute is situated at Cuttack, Odisha, New Delhi, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, or Bengaluru. Here the right answer is Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Sugarcane Breeding Institute is situated at Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu state. The next question is maturation of anther and stigma at different times in the same flower is called as herpogamy, chesmogamy, dichogamy, or porogamy. And here the right answer is dichogamy. Means when the anthers and stigma are matures at different times in the same flower, this phenomena is known as dichogamy. The next one is international father of green revolution is N.I. Vavilov, G.H. Searle, Norman Borlaug, or M.S. Swaminathan. And here the right answer is Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug is known as the international father of green revolution. The next question is Indian father of green revolution is J.C. Bose, H.G. Khurana, M.S. Swaminathan, or M. Ramakrishnan. And here the right answer is M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the Indian father of green revolution. The next question is heterosis is a type of mutations, plant introduction, superiority of F1 hybrids over their parents, or none of the above. And here the right answer is superiority of F1 hybrids over their parents. The next question is the term heterosis was coined by East in 1906, Vavilov 1806, G.H. Searle in 1914, or none of the above. And here the right answer is G.H. Searle in 1914 coined the term heterosis. Next question is fixation of heterosis may be achieved by which of the following ways? A. Vegetative propagation, B. Apomixis, C. Balanced lethal system, and D. All of the above. And here the right answer is all of the above. In balanced lethal system, recessive lethal genes are linked in a repulsion phase. In such a situation, only the heterozygous can survive. Say for example, in case of Oenothera. Thus, we can say the fixation of heterosis may be achieved by all three methods: vegetative propagation, apomixis, as well as it may be achieved through the balanced lethal system. The next question is heterosis can be fixed by which of the following methods of plant breeding? Hybridization, pure line selection, clonal selection, or all of the above. And here the correct answer is clonal selection. By clonal selection, in vegetatively propagated plants, we can fix the heterosis. The next question is which of the following is not an effect or manifestation of heterosis? A. Increase in vigor and yield. B. Increased production ability. C. Better quality and greater adaptability. And D. Slower growth rate. And here the correct answer is slower growth rate. The next question is mating between individuals related by descent is called inbreeding, heterosis, germplasm, or none of the above. And here the correct answer is inbreeding. The next question is in hybrids, the reduction or loss in vigor and fertility as a result of inbreeding is called as heterosis, inbreeding depression, resistance, or none of the above. And here the right answer is inbreeding depression. The next question is which of the following is not an effect of inbreeding depression? Reduction in vigor and yield. B. Reduction in reproduction ability. C. Increase in homozygosity. And D. Disease resistance. Here the right answer is disease resistance. The next question is the degree of inbreeding in any generation is equal to the degree of heterosis, the degree of resistance, the degree of homozygosity, or the degree of heterozygosity. And here the correct answer is the degree of homozygosity. The degree of inbreeding is always equal to the degree of homozygosity in any generation. The next question is pure line breed means homozygosity, heterozygosity, both A and B, or none of the above. And here the correct answer is homozygosity. Pure line breed means homozygosity. The next question is in plants, polyploidy can induce through irradiation, colchicine, mutagenic chemicals, or all of the above. And here the correct answer is colchicine. By applying the colchicine treatment, we can create or induce the polyploidy. means the colchicine is a toxic chemical which have got the ability for the duplication of multiplication of the chromosome numbers. The next one is the golden variety of rice is rich in protein, vitamin A and C, beta carotene, or all of the above. And here the right answer is beta carotene. The golden variety of rice is rich in beta carotene. The next question is, by which of the following method defects can be improved in any popular variety? Selection method, bulk method, backcross method, or pedigree method? And here the right answer is backcross method. By backcross method, we can improve the defect in any popular variety in plant breeding. The next question is, polyploidy can be induced by chemical mutagens, X-rays, colchicines, or all of the above. And here the right answer is colchicine. This is all about today's session. Don't forget to see the next upcoming lecture series based on multiple choice questions from different branches and disciplines of life sciences. And thanks for watching this video.